Welcome to this video presentation here at West Horsley Motors, and here we have the Audi Q2 on a 69 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 40,860. You can change information that's displayed here. For example, you can have a digital readout for the speedometer, and that is changed using the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls. We can access our satellite navigation. We have phone controls as well, cruise control and speed limiter on this stalk, and then into the center, the main screen for the car. So, firstly, the movement that we are making on the screen here is being done using this dial. You can use the buttons that surround it. So, for example, I could go into the radio menu. I could go into our media menu. I can go to the main menu from here as well. But the dial can do everything. These buttons to the right and left relate to the right and left hand sides of the screen. So using the dial, you can rotate to anything on here, for example, radio. Button on the left hand side will then access the radio menu, where you can get your DAB, FM and AM radio, as you can see. We can go back a page to the main menu, media input, and again, that button over to the left, and you've got all the different ways you can listen to your music. They include Bluetooth audio, so you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly. Of course, you need to pair up your phone to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly. And then we have satellite navigation as well. Really nice, clear color display, as you can see. Working our way down from the screen, this button turns the screen off and on again, should you wish to do so. We can turn off our traction control, hazard warning lights, the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, and you can change the driving setup of the car. So from comfort to auto, dynamic or individual. Comfort would be kind of your everyday driving mode, and you can turn that off from there as well. We've got the air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you would like the air distributed in. That's your air conditioning on. Same button will turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. We've got a heated rear screen as well. A 12-volt charging socket, USB input, 2 cup holders in this section here. The main volume for the stereo is on that dial. We have the gear lever then for your 6-speed manual gearbox. The controls I went through just a moment ago, along with an electronic handbrake and an auto hold function for that handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.